We're in the 124 Spider, and we are headed on an epic birthday road trip to Barcelona. So we've just woken up in Montpellier and it's my birthday, thoroughly spoilt, and yeah, it's GoPro time. Look at this view. No, I don't mean of Becky. Look at that. And this is where we've been staying.
The only time it's not warm enough to have the roof down is when it's raining. I think it's been snowing before, not actually snowing, and we've gone out with the roof down. Any excuse.
So we've done Montpellier. We're now off to Barcelona. About 3 hours. I have to say I've loved my time in Montpellier, but definitely time to get to Spain and get some tapas, fish, beef, meat, beer, and then go watch the Formula One.
Happy birthday!
It's my birthday! So yes, as Becky said, it is my birthday. I am very old. Try and guess how old I am today. Anyways, we're in beautiful France near Montpellier, and as you can see, lovely stream, a little road that goes over the stream, and the lovely spider. Haven't really shown much of the spider, so let's go and have a look at it. She's absolutely filthy. You all know she's a dirty girl, but what do you think? Looking very nice at the moment with those OZ Ultra Leggera rims, but yeah, and absolutely loving driving this car. So we are almost in Barcelona, and what do we have? Bloody rain. This Montpellier tan won't last forever. I need some Barcelona rays.
Prepare to exit the highway at exit 28.
We exit
3 kilometers.
We're almost at our hotel, the Pulitzer, and yeah, it's been a very fast journey, to say the least. Again, apologies for my auto finesse air freshener, but pina colada. Parking. Come to Padron. Beck's got her heels on, which is rare. We're going in. Padron. Part 3 of the Spanish Grand Prix coming soon.
If you like the video, hit subscribe.